Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now our video on today, part number 2 of Boxycharm. We are unboxing our February premium box. Okay, we've already done our base box, so let's jump in. For those of you who are not familiar, you know I got you. All the details are down below. Just go ahead and check it out. See if it's something that you would like to become a part of. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. And the premium box, our description card says our theme for this month is XO as well. The first item that I have. Okay, I'm kind of having a moment. I don't know where in the world they got this from for me. Okay, I'm not really sure where this came from for me, but okay. The first item that we have is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions Eyeshadow Palette. And it says create limitless looks from soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles with these pigment-powered palettes. Wow, say that fast 3 times. Containing a variation of 9 dreamy mattes, high shine metallics, and next generation shimmer swirls. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $29, okay? Okay, I am going to say this is absolutely beautiful. I was really questioning what I was supposed to do with these shades, but these are pretty nice. I'm just not sure how they're going to show up on my skin tone. I'm not sure I really want to swatch it because I'm not sure I would get use out of this palette. I'm gonna put this to the side for now because it may end up in a giveaway. I cannot imagine. We'll see. We will see. It may very well end up in a giveaway. But these shades are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. However, I probably would not reach for this palette ever again unless it was to enhance something that I was actually doing. Okay, that is item number 1. Item number 2 is by Elemis. Ooh, okay. And this is the Muscle Ease Active Body Oil. Okay, can y'all tell this is the item that I chose? First of all, well, let's just read about it. It says, a fast-absorbing body oil that contains a powerful synergy of extracts to help relax and ease tension of tired muscles, infused with maritime pine, sea buckthorn, sea fennel, and rosemary essential oil. It envelopes you in a calming, uplifting fragrance while softening and soothing the skin. Manufacturer's suggested retail price is $83. Now, I chose this. This was one of my choice items. And I chose it because it says it's a relaxing body oil for tired legs and muscle tension. Okay? Now, y'all know I have serious challenges with my back. For those of you who do not know, I was flipped out of a golf cart and I landed on the black top, and I have no 4 or 5 disc in my back. Hence the reason why the weather is a challenge for me. Okay, now I already know that this is not a miracle cure or anything, but sometimes when I do get the back massages, I'm hoping that this added to that might help a little. So let's just see. Okay, it smells medicinal. Very medicinal. But when you endure pain, you do try to find some homeopathic things where you don't always have to take at least I do. And I'm hoping that this will kind of help. I will let you know. But this is a 3.3 fluid ounce size. And this is a British brand. It says, defined by nature, led by science. So we're just going to check that out. So that is item number 2. Then item number 3 is this item right here. And this is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. And it illuminates the complexion and achieves a lit from within glow with new Soft Focus Glow Drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. Manufacturer's suggested retail price is $60. Okay, this right here is not a makeup box. I just want you to know that. This is pretty much a skincare box. It says it's a glow primer, and it is a 1 fluid ounce size. Okay, if nothing else, the packaging is beautiful. I don't know why this is in here. Well, it certainly isn't anything that I chose, but nonetheless. I don't really want to open it because I'm not sure I will use it. But then again, you know what? I have enough people in my family where if it doesn't work for me, it will work for one of them. So let's just squeeze a little bit. I put this much on. I'm not sure what the smell is, but it's not a good one. It's not necessarily a good one. Okay, and it could be from other things on my skin. I don't know. Okay, moving right along. I'm not feeling this box, y'all, but maybe it'll get better. The next item I have is Odacite, California, I'm gathering, and this is the Blue Aura Cleansing Water. And it says a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Okay. Energized by purifying Ayurvedic herbs, this cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step, specially formulated to combat skin damaging pollutants before they take their toll. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $39. Now, I'm gathering this is a form of micellar water. That's exactly what it says An all natural, no rinse micellar cleanser. Okay, formulated to make cleansing quick, refreshing, and effective. Okay, this is made with holy basil and turmeric, are infused in aloe vera juice, paired with salicylic acid and grapefruit to sweep away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. And it says no rinsing necessary, and this is a 4-ounce size. Okay, I do want you to know I am going to definitely try this. Definitely. And I do like that it has the stopper on it. Okay, it definitely has that grapefruit citrus smell. So, okay, let's see. Since I opened it, what kind of shelf life? It's got a 6-month shelf life. So I'm sure I'll get to it. I've been going through these things rather quickly. The next item that we have is by Tarte. And I did have one of these, but I have a daughter. Okay, and this is the Double Take Eyeliner. Get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. The best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. This product is full size, made just for charmers, and is not for retail sale. But the manufacturer suggested retail price, if it were for retail sale, that doesn't make any sense, would be $24. There we go. And there's the gel liner. Alrighty. And the last item that we have is a primer. This is by Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Longwear Sticky Pigment Base, a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place, maximize color and pearl dimensions. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shade. That I do like. This is very interesting to me. Very interesting. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $15. I'm very interested in using this product. Now, I put the tiniest of amounts right here. This is a primer. That probably would have done my whole lid. Look at that. And because I have oily lids, a primer is what I always use. Okay, this item I'm here for. Definitely here for. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. So, is that everything in this box? It's everything on this. Okay. Alright. Now, I will tell you right now, I'm not overly pleased about this. My daughter will be happy for the eyeliner. I am extremely ecstatic about the primer. This item here, the Muscle Ease Active Body Oil and the micellar water. Okay, so I guess it's better than I thought, okay? But this is by no means this is a skincare box, okay? So This month I'm grateful for skincare. Okay, well, I don't know what else to tell you. I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our premium Boxycharm box. Okay, now I'm not disappointed in the quality of the products, and not at all. That's not what it is. I have some things that make this not what I would have chosen. Okay, that's all I can say. I'm not too sure about this item. This right here, I'm all about being introduced to new things. However, I can't say that after I tried this palette out, I would ever use it again. And I love Huda items. It has nothing to do with that. I just don't see myself reaching for this palette. I can't say I would put it in a giveaway because I opened it so I could see what the shades look like. I don't know. Please let me know your thoughts down below. Okay. Now I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.